Hi, I'm Eric Rosenbacher, Technical Support Analyst here at QED Technologies. Today we'll be working on 20mm scraper alignment. The importance of scraper alignments are to obtain optimal fluid performance and to increase the longevity of your hardware. The tools we will need to complete our task are a metric Allen key set, specifically a 5mm and 1.5mm wrench, shims, and a flashlight. Let's get into it. These two screws here allow you to move your Y adjustment in and out. And these three screws here, which are all 5mm, allow you to move your X adjustment left to right. Now we will get into aligning the scraper. First, we will start by loosening your stop collar so we can adjust the scraper all the way to the top. After that, we will be able to bring the scraper all the way up, and we see there's a large misalignment over on this end. So loosening both your Y and your X adjustment screws, now we can move our Y adjustment, ensuring that our scraper is not touching the wheel. And we can check. Ensure we have even engagement on both sides. And then we can move our X. Again, bringing the scraper away from the wheel so we do not damage. And we'll check again for an even gap. And I went just a little too far. Check it again. And to make sure you have even engagement across the entire sweep of the magnet. And I will adjust it just a touch. And then we can double check by using shims. And it looks like I need to move my Y back a little bit. And now we have even engagement. Bring your scraper back down. Tighten all of the screws. And double check your scraper alignment. And once you have proper alignment, we want to make sure that the scraper is not touching the wheel. And by doing so, we will use our blue shim, place it in there, bring it up to the top, using your 1.5 millimeter wrench. Bring your stop collar after setting your lock screw. Bring your stop collar up and lock it in. Loosen your stop, bring it down, back up, and ensure that it does not scrape the wheel. And that is your scraper alignment.